live without you. I don't wanna even breathe. I don't wanna dream about you. Wanna wake up with you next to me. I don't wanna go down any other road now. I don't wanna love nobody but you. Look into your eyes now. If I had to die now, I don't wanna love nobody but you. Hey everybody, it's Blaze Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Blake Shelton, the duet of Blake Shelton and Gwen Stefani, called Nobody But You. Alright, this is one of those pure guitar songs that I love because there's no capo and it's in standard tuning. So you can just, you don't have to have all the stuff, you can just play it, alright? So this is a super, I would say it's a super easy song. The hardest part's probably going to be the F chord, and that is, I have an easy way for you to play that too if you don't know how. So let's get into it. So the song is going to basically just use 3 chords. You're going to use C, A minor, okay, and then you're also going to use F. All right, now F is hard for a lot of people because it's a bar chord. Now if you're having a hard time barring, all right, don't bar it. So it may sound dumb, just don't. So just do it as a power chord. Pointer finger on the 1st fret on the E string, the big E string, then put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, and put your pinky on the 3rd fret on the D string. Okay? And then you can still, you don't have to put this one down, but you're supposed to put it on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay? And you're supposed to bar it, but if that's hard, just don't do it. All right? That's the way to do it, okay? That's an easy way to do it. So it's going to be C, A minor. I'm trying to make it so you can see. C, A minor. So now you don't even have to lift this finger up. And you're going to go to F. Okay? So the intro, and I think, if I might be wrong, I'm going to go through this a little bit with you, but I'm pretty sure the entire song is the same chord progression. But let's go through it. I can't remember unless I play it through. All right, so the verse is, so you're going to go play the intro is C, A minor, F. Okay. Okay, so it's, you don't have to, and you're on this, you're going to probably want to play the lower 3 strings. All right, you're going to want to play G, B, and E a little bit more than you do the other one. So if it makes it easier, you can just use your thumb or your finger. I'm using a pick for this song just because I think it's nice to really like belt it on this song, but just because there's so much like emotion in it. This is a slower song that's like a louder slow song. That's why I like to use the pick for it, but you can do whatever you want. So you're going to do C, and then A minor. You're only going to play through it once in the intro. Okay? I have to leave this town to see the world. Okay, so that's where you go to A minor. Cause it's something that I gotta do. That's where you go to F, is on cause it's something that I gotta do. Okay, now that's the strumming pattern I'm playing. Don't have to leave this town. So you can just basically just play it down. And then whenever I switch the chords, I will do a quick down up, okay? So it's, don't have to leave this town, don't have to see the world. And you don't have to do that, but I went like that. See the world, because it's something that I gotta do. All right, so I like playing that little part. I'm just making this super simple for you guys. You can do that. You can add more into it, right? You just don't have to. That's the beautiful thing about rhythm guitar, is that you're just trying to be on rhythm. It doesn't have to be exactly the way that they play it. You'll notice like they're like doing some little like picking on like the and I don't know what they're playing there honestly, but they're doing some picking at the beginning of the song and the intro and the verses. I don't know that. I don't think it would sound as good if you were playing that at a campfire. I want you to be able to play this and sing this at a campfire. So so that's why you can just do that very simple. Okay, so that's how it's going to be. Now when you go to the chorus, you're going to play it a little bit differently. So let me do this real quick. The verse is going to go through, one way to remember it, in case, because sometimes I have a hard time remembering chord progressions, like when I'm playing a song, is this is calf almost the whole time. Okay, so it's C, A minor, so you can, if you want to do something with the A, and then F, and then you're just going to redo it. So you're going to play that once, twice, 3, I think 4 times, and then end on a C. okay, when you're at the end of the chorus. But that ain't gonna work for me. And then you go into the chorus, okay, and it's still calf. It's I don't wanna live without you. See, now I'm changing. I'm doing the strumming is different in this part, okay? It's C. I don't wanna live without you. Now you can play it like that, or you can go I don't wanna live without you. So I'm going down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you can play it like that, or you can make it super simple and just do down. I don't wanna live without you. I don't wanna even breathe. I don't wanna dream about you. Wanna wake up with you next to me. I don't wanna go down. Okay, so you can play it through just like that. All right. I think it sounds better if you go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so it's a little bit hard to do. I'm used to singing it and playing it, not just like not just playing that part. So it's hard for me to remember sometimes. So that's how you play. That's the whole song. All right. So then you go through the second verse, and then when you go to after the second chorus, you're going to play the bridge. And you're gonna go, it's just gonna be the same C, A. All right, so wanna say it now, wanna make, so see I'm adding that little extra thing in, but you don't have to. Wanna make, let's see. Wanna say it now, wanna make it clear. Or only, let's see. Oh, so this is actually gonna be a little bit different. So you're gonna go C, wanna say it now, wanna make it clear. So you're gonna skip the F. And because you're gonna go C, A minor, you say want to make it clear, and then you're gonna go silent on the guitar. So let's see, wanna say it now, wanna make it clear, for only you and God to hear. I don't wanna live without you. Okay, just like that. So you're gonna do C, A minor, pause. You don't have to mute it, but you just don't play anything right there. You let it ring or just mute it, and then you'll play C after here. I don't wanna dream, live without you. I sang it wrong there. And that's it. So then you'll just play through the chorus, and you'll do the C, A minor, F, C, just one last time just to end it. Okay? So you'll go, I don't wanna love nobody but you. Okay? And that's it. So that's a great song by Blake Shelton and Gwen Stefani. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.